Welcome to the class. Welcome to the model Narrative Gerontology and Digital Storytelling. With this model, we aim to introduce the concepts of narrative gerontology and digital storytelling and how they can work as a valuable resource in digital work interventions and activities. We expect that you will have a deeper understanding on how to apply this concept by providing critical information about it and its main benefits. In this model, it is also predictable that you will get more confident with using digital narrative gerontology in your professional context. We hope that you will have a deeper understanding of the benefits and the added value that this kind of activity can bring to their professional context, namely in the intervention of social workers. In this way, this model has the following objectives. First, define the concepts of narrative gerontology and digital storytelling. Second, raise understanding of how these concepts can be combined as an innovative resource. 3. Raise awareness on how it can be used in the context of social work. 4. Raise confidence to apply this resource in a digital environment. Before starting to talk about the concepts of narrative gerontology and digital storytelling, it is important to be aware that older people get engaged in activities in which they can tell a story about themselves because of their intrinsic motivations. For example, it can be flattering to the ego in the way that it promotes the feeling of self-confidence and success and achievement. It is an ego repair in terms of feeling that telling part of the story contributes to their resilience. Not being forgotten due to the feeling that their story will become transgenerational, being listened by others, sharing their education and experiences, conveying in terms of giving another meaning of their own life, based on the perception of others who are going to listen to their story, and witness by remembering and communicating their experience of life with others. These intrinsic motivations can be used to enhance individual and community when shared, resilience, in addition to promoting personal and mutual learning. Now that you know what motivates older people to tell a part of their life story, let's see the meaning of narrative gerontology and its benefits. Narrative gerontology is a process in which an older person tells his or her life story as a narrative and as a retrospective of his and her life. The specificity of the gerontological narrative consists of the intergenerational dynamics between the storyteller, the elderly person, and the person who records the stories, who usually belongs to a younger generation. Through informal learning for both parties, providing the elder with a strategy for healthier aging. This methodology is responsible for bringing several benefits and improving the feeling of well-being of elderly through intergenerational sharing, allowing healthy aging. Now let's see more about the concept of digital storytelling. Through audio and images, digital storytelling tells us a biography in a few minutes that can be shared with other people or with a broader range of people, even with all of the world if the advances in technologies occur. This concept is responsible to bring several benefits and improve the feeling of well-being of elderly people. The concept of digital storytelling uses a set of multimedia resources and focuses mainly on stories that are generally not heard, such as those told by older adults. It is used in different contexts, namely the defense of social justice and knowledge construction, in subjects such as public health, social work, and education. It can be combined text, images, video, audio, and social media. In public health and social work, the digital narrative is increasingly used in constructing knowledge and in actions aimed at people who may have less visibility as more isolated. Stories narrated can include topics such as life experiences, living with diseases, and factors that contribute to longevity. So it works as a practical resource to make positive changes in confidence, speech quality, the meaning of life, purposes and companionship, social involvement, and motivation.
Congratulations, you have just finished this lesson.